How to register a currency converter on your Shopify. That's what I'm going to show you right now in this very quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. And by the way, if you want to get your Shopify for first 3 months for just only $1, you can simply click the link at the description that I will be leaving and it will directed you over here in this page. And it says that start for free, then enjoy $1 per month for first 3 months. So if you like that, just simply click the link under the description and you can enjoy. So right now I'm here in my home page. So what do you need to do is just simply click the app or add apps and click Shopify App Store. So here you just need to find the currency converter and you will be seeing all the currency converter or a lot of currency converter right here, and it has a same usage or a same process of usage, so you just need to choose one. So mine, I will choose the best currency converter. So you just need to click add app and install the app, and after that you will be moving to the page of selecting the plan of your currency converter. Here you can see you can choose whether you want the free account or you want the elite account. In the free account, you will be having a free currencies of 5, and the elite account, if you avail for $9, you will having 164 currency in your app. So mine, I will choose for the demo is this free plan. So right now you are here in the settings of best currency converter, and it says that you need to edit your money formats. Click here to see how. So you have all these steps. So I just explain for in you shortly. So you just need to go back to your account, click settings, and go to your store details. Under your store details, you have the store currency, and you just need to click the change format. In change format, you will be seeing this HTML with currency and HTML without currency. You just need to change this too. Moving forward, go back to the settings or to the steps and copy the step 5. Copy this message right here or text right here. Copy. Go back to your settings on your Shopify account. Paste the text before the currency sign. After that, come back to the settings. Copy the step 6 and paste it after the currency. After that, just copy again and do it the same thing on the other side. And just simply hit save. And you will be able to see all the signs that is available in your account. So you have the Philippine peso, US dollar, euro, British pound, and Canadian dollar. After that, you can just simply hit save and just go back to your home page. Click online store, themes, and view your online store. You can be able now to see all the currencies available in your online store. So yeah, I think that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel and like the video as well. Thank you for watching.